Hi there, I am Dr.Akriti Gupta. Why do some students fail the MBBS in their first attempt? Approx 150 to 250 students generally take admission to a medical college every year, but not all of them pass their first year in a single attempt. So here in this video, I will tell you what are the different factors behind this disaster. There is no doubt that medical education is rigorous and demanding, but some students perform very well and some fail exams. Let's try to find out the reason. Number one may be language barrier. Almost all the medical books are in the English language, and many students belong to a Hindi medium background and also belong to the family where nobody speaks English. In this scenario, we can't expect a Hindi medium student to suddenly start speaking English and start reading and learning the tough language of medical books. So what is the solution for it? First of all, make it clear that if you have a Hindi medium background, then you have to work a little harder than your colleague. And never miss a lecture. The teacher generally teaches both Hindi and English. So try to understand as much as possible in the class itself and try to take notes in class only. And mark the difficult things and contact with your professors and tutors. Then read the same topic from the textbook and note extra stuff in the notes that you already made in the class and revise the notes the next morning. And try to recall the learned material. The active recall will ease out the remembrance and will improve the retention. And recently, textbook in Hindi has been prepared in Madhya Pradesh, which will definitely help Hindi medium students. So this is not true that only Hindi medium students suffer in MBBS. English medium students also suffer a lot. Let's discuss what are the other factors. That is lack of proper study skills. Some students may lack effective study techniques such as time management, some do not take proper notes, some do not adopt active learning strategies, and procrastination is also a common problem among many students. Delaying sessions or assignment can result in a backlog of work, which ultimately causes stress and negatively impact performance. And do not read some topics in very depth. This will lead to wasting time and you will not have enough time to cover all the important topics. Revision will be very difficult for you. So a solution for that is never delay assignment, don't miss the lectures, stay alert in your class, adopt active recall strategies, join a study group, sometimes teach others, and always remember to revise frequently. As much as you can revise, do revise. Try to draw the concept on paper many times. The practice of making diagrams will be best for you. Complex, vast medical syllabus is also a problem. It is true that the syllabus is vast and complex, especially if we compare it to what we have just read in 11th and 12th standard. But with the right approach and right guidance, syllabus can be completed timely and easily. Next factor may be insufficient guidance. Some students do not get proper guidance, which negatively affect their performance. Look, a medical field is very difficult to survive without mentors or guidance from seniors, because seniors will help in notes, how to make proper notes. They will tell you about writing study materials. They will help you in choosing the right books to study and in time management as well. They will provide you with previous study materials. You can ask about difficult topics and some key concepts from your seniors. But if you do not choose your seniors wisely, they can be a source of huge destruction. And sometimes seniors will ask you for work, which is no way relevant to your MBBS journey and will lead you to the wrong path. So always pay extra attention while choosing your mentor or seniors. Right fashion can make your journey of MBBS very easy and comfortable, and the wrong person can cause disaster for you. And the next factor may be distractions. Most students live away from home in a new city. Living in a new environment or city can expose students to various distractions such as nightlife, excessive use of technology or mobile phones, smoking, alcoholism, very common among students. In the name of enjoyment, because every other person will ask you for wrong thing, because nobody wants you to study well. It is your responsibility to avoid all the distractions and try to limit the enjoyment in social events. Here comes the concept of time management. You have to learn the balance between life and career. Lack of motivation and mental health is also a problem. It is not uncommon in our society, that we choose medical science for reason other than our own desire. To become doctors, sometimes students take medicine under family pressure or peer pressure. So these students struggle more to stay motivated. Generally, it has been seen in the classes that all the students do not belong to same economic background. Students of weaker section want to match the lifestyle of their colleague, and this causes them to suffer emotionally, which lead to a negative impact on their performance as well. These factors, competitive environment, high workload and exposure to challenging medical syllabus can contribute to stress, anxiety, depression. So what is the solution for it? Many times the struggle is on a thought level. Even if you have chosen medical science due to family pressure, try to look at its positive aspect. Only don't focus on the difficulty or the dark side of medical science. Build your interest in the subject. Don't blame anyone for your present condition. Just accept the situation and think how you can make it better. Don't compare your life with others. It is a matter of time. You also will have all the things in your life. It's at some point of time. So keep patience. Always think that your present condition is the dream of many. Always express your gratitude for what you already have. And don't complain about what you are lacking. Work hard and stay calm. Someday you will have all the things that you wish to have. The students must what is your well-being. Maintain a healthy work-life balance and never forget to seek help when facing academic or emotional challenges. Some medical schools also adopt mentorship programs and counseling services. So students should never hesitate to contact their mentors. So these are the factors which you can overcome. Thank you. Keep watching.